bad day, a terrible day, and a horrible day if you really look at the market from the prism of what has happened to Adani Group of companies. Adani Group of companies have got completely smoked in last two trading sessions. Variety of factors which have really attributed to this kind of an excruciating fall in Adani Group of stocks. Of course, it all started with a spark from the global report from Hindenburg, and then technical compulsions have also taken over. The important bit here is that while it started as a spark for Adani Group of companies, the snowball effect now is pretty much visible in market breadth and in some of the banks as well. The obvious concern is that what if there is a large collateral damage on the balance sheet of Adani Group of companies, and what it will start impacting the total bank loans. I think we are not there yet, but markets are market. In the short term, it's always fear which will fuel fear, and it is always selling which will accelerate more selling. So there was panic selling. The fact that Adani Enterprises, Adani Total Gas, Adani Ports, Adani Transmission, some of the stable businesses were down anywhere between 15 to 18%, close at the lowest point of the day. It just tells you that the pent-up selling was just not over. Stocks like Ambuja, and in the mid-afternoon trade, they lost over 225%. NDTV, the recently acquired business of Adani Group, that also lost more than 15% today. So that was one theme which clearly was at play. The selling has also coincided with the fact that today important technical levels on the Nifty were taken out, 17,800. That's been the Lakshman Rekha for the market, beyond which we've gone today, which has led to further creation of short positions. Budget is round the corner. This year is no different. There are high expectations, and there is curiosity, and there is some degree of resistance by long-term investors and short-term investors to create large positions till the time you don't see clarity on the LTCG and the STG front. So net, it was a bad day of trade. The tremor was largely felt in Adani Group of stocks, and then banks also were on the butcher block. The important bit for me is that this is a very local selling. Dollar index is under control, emerging markets are doing well, flows are not that bad. So one would imagine that once the event risk is behind us, and once the news on the Adani Group of stocks has settled, then the market could really find some degree of stability. So it's not like you've fallen into some kind of an endless pit. I think the light at the end of the tunnel is going to be there, and hopefully the light at the end of the tunnel is coming soon.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.